Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mrs. Kessel here. This is the tutorial video for beginner lesson number 4, which will cover the keys of C, G, and N. Now, we have already learned several other keys. Today, we're just going to be focusing on those 3 new keys. Let's remember, our 2 pointer fingers go on our anchor keys. Our anchor keys are F and J. They have that bump on the bottom. So those are where the pointer fingers always go. Middle fingers go on D and K. Ring fingers go on S and L. Pinky fingers go on A, and semicolon thumbs go on the space bar. So this is how your fingers look on home row. Make sure every time you're typing, you're on home row. You might leave home row, but you always come back. So the new keys today, like I said, are C, G, and N. C is going to be our first letter on bottom row. So we have home row, which is in the middle, top row, which we started learning a few days ago, and bottom row. So we have 2 on the bottom row today, C and N. For C, it is in line with the letter D. Do you see this line right here? So that means it is our middle left finger. So when I'm on home row, I'll move my fingers for now. When I'm using my middle finger, I come down to D, C, and back up to D, down to C, back up to D, up to E, back to D. So if I were actually typing, remember you should see good hands. I shouldn't cover that. I kind of hit it with the nail of my finger. I just curl my finger like that to hit that key. I don't bring my whole hand down to hit it with my fingertip. I just curl it down. Okay. Then for G, which is next to F, all you have to do is just pop your pointer finger over. This is also going to be a pointer finger row. Okay. So these are all yellow along with G. Then for N, this is going to be a right pointer finger. You're going to come down from J and back up to J, down from J, back up to J, down from J, back up to J. So that's how we type that one. So once again, C is your middle finger, comes down and back up. G is your pointer finger, goes over and back. And N is your pointer finger, goes down and up. Pay attention to the colors. They match. Make sure when you color them, you're using the correct colors. So C is an orange key. G is a yellow key. Let me uncover that G for you. And N is a green key. So when you get your keyboards out, you're going to put the letter C right down here, capital C. Over here, a capital G, and over here, a capital N. So you can see that there's like this little imaginary line down the keyboard. These are all your right hand. These are all your left hand keys. So when I color it in, C is orange, just like this finger. These 3 keys are my middle finger. G is yellow. We're going to have 2 rows of yellow. So that means it's my pointer finger. And then N will be green as well, which means it's my right pointer finger. So those are the 3 you are adding on today. After you are done filling out your keyboard, you can go and complete lesson number 4 on typing.com. Please know that I will be collecting and checking in your keyboards very soon. So please make sure you have everything done and it's done neatly so that you can earn those points.